Hi, it's another beautiful day with my coffee maker, my Keurig. A few weeks ago, I posted a video about how to fix this because we all have this problem where it just, you close the lid and it just dribbles out. It's kind of a pain, right? It doesn't work. Some people post an solution. Down here's a little springy opening, and they kind of clean that out, and that works sometimes, sometimes not. Up here, there's a little very sharp, the puncturing little tube guy here. They clean that out. They clean out little holes there where the coffee grounds get into. Or they unscrew the little screws here. Right here, little screws. They take off the whole top. They clean out like a little diaphragm pump. All that's fine and dandy, but it doesn't work all the time. So I show you what really happens here. Okay? Here's my great value knockoff donut shop coffee. Put it in little receptacle, push it down, you push the button, and typically just does that, right? And now a lot comes out. See, just dribbles like this. All right, here's what's going on. I'll show you a better answer. Here's our cup here. And the pin is not making a full puncture in the bottom here. See that little hole there? It's not a good puncture. So what you got to do, get a little thing here, like a T for golfing, and you kind of just make that hole a little bigger. Okay, see that hole? Made it bigger. Put it in our machine. And here it comes. That's all you got to do. So the problem is, here's one that didn't work. That little hole there is not big enough. Or better yet, if you punch it twice, you actually have two holes in the bottom, and it dribbles out better. So that's how you actually fix your Keurig. I think the problem has to do with these knockoff brands. Maybe the plastic is a different sort of plastic, doesn't puncture right. Maybe the size is just a little bit off. But anyway, that's what I do. All right, have a great day. Enjoy your coffee. Bye-bye.